In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make your Squarespace site public. Whether you've just completed designing your site or you're making updates after having it offline for a while, making your Squarespace site public is a crucial step to ensure your audience can visit and interact with your content. Don't worry if you're new to this, I'll take you through the process step by step to make it as straightforward as possible. First, let's start by heading over to your Squarespace dashboard. This is your site's home base where you have access to all the tools and settings that power your site. If you're not already there, you'll want to log into Squarespace with your account details. Once you're logged in, look for the dashboard. Here you'll find a menu that lists all your site's functionalities. Next, we need to navigate to the Settings section. You can usually find this option in the main menu on the left side of your dashboard. Click on Settings, and this will open a new page with a range of settings options for your site. This is where you have control over things like site permissions, search engine settings, and more. Our focus now shifts to a specific setting, Site Availability. Scroll down until you spot Site Availability and click on it. This setting is essential because it determines who can view your site. Whether it's private, password protected, or public depends on the selection you make here. For those of you who are running a business or a portfolio, making your site public ensures that customers and clients can easily access your information and offerings. We're almost there. On the Site Availability page, you'll see different options for how your site can be accessed. You'll want to select Public. Choosing Public means your site is accessible to anyone on the internet. This is the option you need if you want to reach a broader audience with your content, products, or services. Finally, don't forget this crucial last step, saving your changes. After selecting Public, you'll usually find a Save button at the top or bottom right of the screen. Click Save to apply the changes. It's important to hit Save so that your settings are updated and your site goes live to the public. If you skip this, your site may remain private or password protected without anyone being able to access it except you. And that's it. Your Squarespace site is now public and open for the world to see. Remember, you can always revisit these settings if you want to make your site private again for any reason. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide has helped you make your site live.